Do a Christians have to observe the Old Testament law and keep it? The answer is no. Matthew chapter 5 verse number 17 through 18 is used by some people to prove that Jesus Christ did not break the Old Testament law, but came to fulfill it. However, that same passage shows that the Old Testament law is no longer applicable because Jesus Christ already to fulfill it. He completed it. Hence, we don't have to keep the law. Galatians chapter 3 verse number 10 mentions that if we are under the law, we are under the curse. Verse number 13 also mentions that if you are saved by faith, then you are not under the law. Galatians chapter 3 verse number 12 says, the law is not of faith, and the Bible says in verse number 23 through 25 that the law was only at the beginning to introduce faith. But now that we are under faith, we are no longer under that schoolmaster of the law.